Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start inside 2K26. Open Options, then Settings, and go straight to Display or Graphics. You must know your resolution and refresh rate because motion blur interacts with them. Once there, check V-Sync and frame limit settings before changing blur. This prepares the game to accept the toggle without introducing stutter. Make the first actionable change now. Locate the motion blur option in Graphics and set it to off. Doing that first prevents duplicated effort later when you tweak frame rate or post-processing. Once motion blur is off, you should remove layered effects that reintroduce blur. Disable film grain and temporal anti-aliasing, which can smear motion. Also adjust camera shake and depth of field if the game offers them. Make sure V-Sync is consistent with your monitor. Turning V-Sync off and using a stable, high refresh rate often reduces perceived motion artifacts. If you use a frame limiter, match it to your display's refresh rate. These steps fix secondary causes, so the off setting stays effective. Save your changes and restart 2K26, then play a fast camera scene to confirm motion blur is gone. If you still notice blur, update GPU drivers and clear the game's shader or image cache because old shaders can reapply effects. Also toggle full screen versus borderless to force the engine to reinitialize display modes. If problems persist, set graphics presets to low temporarily to isolate which feature causes blur. Then reintroduce settings one at a time until you find the culprit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.